This is a BSR record changer. It's a model C123. It's very standard. It's got the universal mount. Should fit most consoles and all-in-one players. I've gone through this and completely degreased it, including the cycling cam, trip levers, resurfaced the rubber idler pulley, and lubricated the motor bearings. Also, the platter bearings have been cleaned and re-lubed. The mechanism has been completely disassembled and degreased and lightly re-lubricated. It's got the standard power plug and the RCA phono jacks. This one features a queuing arm feature. And it functions just perfectly. It's got a new needle on it. Cartridge has good output, both left and right.